Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Tom from Dravenstotalcustoms, and we are here for the WPV1 Mandalorian inspired wolf helmet. And for its repair job, we are going to be repairing the mother shell. In the last video, as you saw, I explained what was going on with it. And if you've seen the other videos, you know where we all started. So, as you see here, I am mixing up the Plasti-Paste II. You can get that from Smooth-on.com or any other your local retailers that carry the Smooth-on products. Plasti-Paste is a two-part component fiber-filled resin that is designed for vertical surface applications. It is in A and a B form. As you see here, I am mixing up the B, which is the fiber-filled compound. Make sure when you are doing this, you are going to be having to scrape the bottoms, mix it all up. It is mixed in a ratio of 1A to 2B by volume with a 10-minute pot life depending on the mass. So it's pretty forgiving. So 10 minutes is a pretty long time, especially when you are working with an item. Unlike other resins, you really have to pack this in because it's not a pourable resin that you're pouring, you're putting into the into measuring cup. As you see, I'm having to really pack it in, getting all the air bubbles out of there. Used about 4.5 ounces. So once packing all that in there, I'll be pouring about 2 ounces of the Plasti-Paste II Part A. Just gonna make sure you just gotta keep working to get rid of all of the air bubbles, all of the space in between, so that you actually have the proper amount of work time. As you see, I'm cleaning up around the rims of each of the items. This is so that we can make sure that the seal is tight and that nothing actually dries so we can be able to open it again. Now, as you see, I'm dispensing into a separate cup to mix in. Always make sure you're scraping the bottom and the sides to make sure you get everything mixed up really, really well. Once you mix this, it's going to be about the consistency of creamy peanut butter. So just keep mixing, keep scraping. Just mix, 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 mix. Alright, so the reason we're having to use Plasti-Paste on the fiberglass mother shell is that when the mold failed and stuck to the mother shell initially, I actually had to cut the mother shell along the ridge used as a key. This is just done for reinforcement purposes, since I've already repaired the both halves of the mother shell with more fiberglass and fiberglass sheets. And when you're working with chemicals, always make sure that you read your directions. I think I was looking there how long I had for the pot life. So roughly about 10 minutes or so. As you know, I have a cake battery peanut butter consistency. Once getting in there, being able to smooth it into the crevices and anywhere there might be a compromise on the shell. So when undoing the mother shell from the mold, it caused a lot of damage. As you see, I'm spreading around. I'm almost in like a bad cake decorating sort of way. This half here, the face of the mother shell, didn't sustain as much damage to the inside. It was generally all outside. As you see around the flange edge, there's some extra fiberglass sheets right there. What I'm doing is I'm just creating a seam between the original fiberglass and the new fiberglass flange pieces, just for stability. Alright, so that was a quick little video on how I started doing some of the repair work for the Wolfpack helmet mother shell. Hopefully it piques your interest and you want to keep on going with this build series that we're now putting out. If you have any suggestions of any other types of build series videos you'd like to see, make sure you leave those in the comment section below. After this series is done, I have another helmet that we're going to be doing some repairs on, and I'm going to take you through some of that process. We still have 2 more videos for this wolf helmet, and this that series will be finished. I want to thank you for watching, and Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with when we upload videos. You can contact, if you want to contact us, you can email us at dravenstotalcustoms@gmail.com. You can also visit our Etsy store at dravenstotalcustoms.etsy.com and check out what we have over there. Once again, I'm Tom. Thank you very much, and on to the next video.